In this video, I want to show you the different texture of our lace wigs. It's different texture, and one of them are already wet by the water. And now I will show you this one, the deep curl. This deep curl lace wig. After you spray the water on it, it will be more beautiful. The texture is very nice and it's very bouncy. See? This one. This is the top area. This one. Very nice wave. Here, very nice wave. And slowly to the bottom. See? This one. Like this. And let me show you the IC Italian curl. This one already wet by water. The original texture will be a little bit more curl. It's curled. But after wet, it looks very beautiful. This one is after wet by the water. This one. See? And actually, this one is our loose deep wave. This one loose deep wave. From video, I don't know if you guys can see the difference because this one is already wet by water. So it looks like a little bit looser than its original texture. But the original one was Italian curl, a little bit more curl. And this one is the loose deep wave. You see the difference? This one. So next video I will show you more lace wigs, maybe different colors and more textures. I'll see you in the next video.